What's up, guys? This is Mike. Excuse me. This is Mike on my pure account, Expert Rain, and I'm gonna do something that I don't think has ever been tried before. I don't know, I haven't researched it, but I am going to do some free-to-play hybriding. Yes, you heard right. See how it works? I'm gonna start off by ranging hardcore. I'm gonna switch to this and spec them out with my Earth Bolt. Let's go. Dang, that didn't feel good. Dang, come on. Alright, I'm trying to free to play a hybrid here. I don't know. I'm not really switching, but I don't know. It's kind of fun. Oh no! I shouldn't have saved. Well, that wasn't a save, but I shouldn't have eaten. Good fight. Ooh, that was pretty fun. Not gonna lie. I like that setup. I'm gonna keep those green Dhad chaps. But I don't think Bridding either works on a free world or I'm just super bad at it. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. Oh, I can't get over that. That's awesome. Oh, get the Vams. I'm taking the leather pot. Bread. Let's see who wants to fight now. Go for 2 kills, 1 envy. Let's see. Let's see. See what I can do. Ooh, is that a sortie? That's a sortie. Someone kill me. I want to go to Lumbee. Okay. Oh my god, that's... Oh, I can't get over that. I got a kill. Oh my gosh. You know what? I don't think I need this robe bottom. I'll just keep the chaps. Let's see. Bonuses with the top. Oh, +1 bonus. That's kind of poop. At +11 now, so I get full. -7 you. Okay, -7 mage, so I'm gonna be hitting like poop. Okay, so At least if I switch to the robe tops and stuff, I get +1. Okay, so I've decided that I'm technically not going to brid only because I'm not going to use the skirt. So I guess I could be bridding, like I'm going to use like the shortcut, go to mage, but I'm going to click like robe top and hat, cast, whatever, because that seems to work because I get this higher bonus using this. So you guys get a bonus bank vid. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's my normal stuff. 8K, I know. See if I can just see if I have enough room for all this. I don't even have enough room for DI. I don't have enough room for deaths. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I have that. Well, I have that tuna there. It's just taking up space. Yeah, here's my PK tab. This is basically an accumulation of all the kills that I've ever gotten. So, yeah. Shoot. I guess this shall conclude my attempt to hybrid, even though I didn't really hybrid for that fight because he was a mage. Yeah. Oh, sweet. I can use Void. I'm gonna go get some membership and use Void. Whoa! Not really. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna practice my bridding, and I will get back to you as soon as I'm good. That might not be for a while. And yeah, I'll let you know how it goes.